Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, I'm trying a brand new recipe. I've never made it before in my life. Found it online, looked pretty good, so I'm going to cook it for y'all. And hopefully it's good, and hopefully y'all try it too. Hang out and we'll get to cooking. Alright y'all, see we got the blue diamond out here. I'll put a little cooking spray in here. That's what the instructions or the recipe says to do. And then we're going to brown 6 boneless pork chops. And we're just trying to brown them, so I got it on a medium-high heat. So, got those 6 in there. And then the only seasoning they say to put on them is a little bit of paprika, which is not coming out very well, but there it goes. A little paprika, a little chili powder. Ooh, that's a lot of chili powder. That'll be a special one over there. And a little bit of garlic powder. Well, they say garlic salt, but I don't use a lot of salt, so we're going to just use regular garlic powder. So, alright, got them seasoned up. I'm going to throw the lid on it, let these brown up, and we'll bring you all back. Alright y'all, while them pork chops are browning up, I'm going to make the sauce for this. And it calls for, well, it calls for 1 can, 20-something ounce of cream of mushroom soup. I couldn't find the big can, so I'm using 2 small cans. Alright, and 1 can of diced tomatoes. I didn't say to drain them or anything, so we're just gonna fold them in, get that all incorporated together. So far it smells pretty good. All the ingredients sound really good, so alright, that looks fairly good. The only thing else left I got to do is I got to slice an onion up and preheat the oven. So alright, put that on the back burner back yonder. Flip these pork chops and oh yeah, they're kind of cooking up nicely. I'm going to season this side also, so we're going to go easy on the chili powder. Like I said, easy on the chili powder. There's the chili. There's the paprika. And then our garlic powder. Alrighty y'all. I'll throw the cover back on here. Let them continue to cook. I'm going to slice an onion up, and I got to prepare a baking dish, so we'll bring you all back in a few. Alright y'all, you see these are browning up really nice. Got a nice color to them on this side. I got to get a little bit on the other side. As soon as that's done, we'll move on to the next step, but this is smelling really, really good, so y'all hang out and we'll bring you all right back. Alright y'all, these are done. I'm going to transfer them over into this baking sheet or pan here. Now, we're going to top it with our sauce. And the recipe says to cover this with aluminum foil, which right now at this point in time, my aluminum foil is MIA. I know I have a nice big roll of it because I use it all the time. I know I'm not out of it. So I'm hoping this is going to turn out okay. So I'm going to search for my aluminum foil a little bit more. Actually, I need to cover this with it says to put the sliced onions on here on the top. So that's what we're going to do here. What do you think? Think that looks pretty? I think it looks pretty. Alright. So, alright, now I'm going to search for my aluminum foil, and we'll bring you all back when this is done baking. Oh, goes in the oven 350 for 40 minutes. So, after I find my aluminum foil and I get it in baking, we'll bring you back. Alright, y'all. It's been 40 minutes. Get this stuff out of the oven here. Alright, let's take a look at this. Ooh, that looks delicious. Now, directions say to cook it another 10 to 15 minutes uncovered, so I'm going to throw this back in there at 350 like it was set before, and we'll bring y'all back whenever that 15 minutes is up. So, hang out. Alright, y'all. 15 minutes has gone by for that uncovered bake, and I actually did make some white rice to go with this. Oh, y'all, that looks so good. Let me get my thermometer out here and double check this and just make sure that we're being safe. Oh yeah, 195. Let's check something here in the middle. Yeah, 190. They feel good and tender, so. Alright, there we have it. Let me grab me a plate. We'll get some of this dolled out on it, and we'll have a little taste test. So hang on and we'll bring you all back. Alright, y'all, there you have it. Don't that look delicious? Got the white rice in there. Let's do a taste test. Alright, y'all, there we got it. Let's try a bite. If I can get cut through it. A little bit of gristle there. Should trim my pork chops a little better, but that is really good. That mushroom and tomato sauce that's on there. That is really, really good. Man, you're gonna have to try that. Today's beverage of the day, we got some Fontana dragon fruit. Pretty good stuff. Alright, y'all, there you have it. Appreciate y'all hanging out with me in the kitchen here today and seeing what I got cooking. Really hope you're going to try this recipe. This was a new one for me. I give it the bare seal of approval. Pretty good tasty there. So, as always, appreciate y'all watching. Remember, hit the like button, share it out, leave me a comment down there in the bottom. And Sunday live streams, come on in. Make sure you say hi. Give me the thumbs up on there too. And be expecting another build series coming up here. If y'all watched my live stream a couple weeks ago, you'll know what I'm talking about. So As always, appreciate y'all watching. Love y'all, and bon appetit.